Hello. Following our recent episode on breath with Caroline Vogel, we'd like to offer this brief guided breathwork exercise led by Caroline for you to try on your own. This exercise is a little over 8.5 minutes long. Give it a try and let us know what you think. You can always reach us at hello@morethanonewaypod.com.
So we're going to close our eyes. And if you want to, you're just going to cast your eyes down, close them completely if you want to, or just leave them slightly open, but cast down. And this gives us the opportunity to draw the attention inward, to allow our eyes to take a break, our vision to go on pause, so we can more easily attune to what's going on inside. So as you're drawing your attention inward, I want to invite you to notice how your body's connecting with the chair that you're sitting in. Noticing those points of connection along the back of your legs, along your back. Noticing your feet connected to the ground. This may offer a sense of grounding. And drawing your attention to your hands, just noticing the placement of your hands. Any feelings and sensations in your hands. And next we're going to turn our attention to our breath, but at any point you find the breath's not working for you, I want to invite you to come back to these feelings and sensations of your body connecting to the chair and your feet connecting to the ground. There's no right or wrong. You can come back to this place at any time for any reason. But if you want to, you can start to turn your attention to your breath. First, noticing this life-giving air moving in and out of your nostrils. And whenever you notice that your mind drifts from your nose, just use it as an opportunity to kindly, gently, firmly draw the attention back to the breath. And now dropping your attention down into your chest. You can even place a hand on your chest if you want to, and notice that gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Again, whenever you notice that your mind drifts from the anchor point of breath, no judgment. The mind's just doing what a mind does, but you can gently invite it back to this anchor point of breath. And then dropping your attention down into your belly. See if you can notice a gentle expansion of your belly as you breathe in, and deflation of your belly as you breathe out. When we anchor our attention with the belly breathing, it gives us a sense of the diaphragmatic breathing, which uses a fuller range of our lungs as we breathe. And from this belly place, I want to invite you to open your awareness to how your human breath is infinitely connected to the breath of a loving God. So that as you breathe, you have some awareness that you're being breathed. That the Holy is breathing you. You might imagine that this holy breath, where you're anchoring your attention in your belly, starts to spread to every fiber and cell of your being. Notice how your body responds to that wisdom, that you are being breathed, that you're being nourished, that you're being sustained moment by moment by the breath of a loving God. And just for a moment, allow this holy breath, the awareness of it, to move through your mind. Remembering that we can call on the breath of the Spirit in any moment to guide our thoughts. There's no effort in this. It's simply an allowing your mind to be breathed by the Holy Spirit. Dropping your attention down into your heart space and remembering that the breath of a loving God moves through every emotion. The breath of God breathes through your heart with every beat. And then allowing the holy breath to move down through your gut. Allowing your gut feeling about things to be breathed. This place of intuition, this place of knowing, just allowing it to be breathed by the Spirit. And when you're ready, you're going to open your eyes, allowing your vision to integrate with the rest of your senses that might feel a little heightened. And we're all going to take 3 slow, deep breaths together. So in through the nose, breathe it out real slow through the nose or the mouth. Good. Deep breath in. And breathe it out. One more time, deep breath in and breathe it out.